Good morning, Year 11. How are you? Today is Wednesday, the 25th of March, 2020, and our class is on period 1. Here's the work in Google Docs. So we have the instructions, and I've asked you today to upload any work that you do. Take a photo of it and just send it to me and upload it so I can check how you're going. So the work for today is fairly easy. We're just finishing off perimeter 1E. Really super important that you do these questions 7, 8 and 9. If you need to, draw the diagram but show you're working. Then we're going to do some area work. What I would like you to do with when you do area, and if I go back to this section, in your reference book, we're going to draw this table, but I want you to add a column here, and the next it will be example, and put an example in. So when you draw the shape, make sure you put some numbers in and then do an example for here. Most of you are familiar with those formulas. The only one is parallelogram, trapezium, rhombus, and of course the circle. When you're finding the area of a circle, you must only use the radius. So if the question gives you the diameter, you need to divide it. If you're in the playing with your textbook, and you can see over here, they do have videos. Sorry, so I've just jumped, getting better at this section. I want the next section. So coming down here, if you have a closer look, you can see that you've got the examples here. So there's a video. Look,
in this
some of the
example,
videos are great.
we'll be finding the area of the quadrilateral that's been shown in the diagram. Firstly, we note that the shape is actually a trapezium.
The good thing about this is he's going to go through the steps that I would like you to do. So they do all of those. Then we're going to do areas of composite shapes, and a composite shape is just an area that has two different shapes joined together.
In this example, we'll be finding the area of the given composite shape. We'll be answering to one decimal place. Now, let's first ask ourselves, what is a composite shape? A composite shape is a shape that contains two or more familiar shapes to make up a new shape. So in the diagram that we have here, we have a...
So that will go through, you can see here they've got the rectangle, the semicircle, so it's about finding the area of both and adding them together. Hopefully that is worthwhile for you. If I go back to the work, I would love for you to add some class comments in here. Obviously, because it's like a chat, make sure it's respectful and valid. Link to the all right, I will talk to you Friday. I'll be on here whilst you're at class, so as I said, feel free to let me know how you're going with it. Take care. Bye.